Hi everyone, I am Dr Praveen Gupta, and you might have known that Gurukul 3.0 is launched. With that new launching comes a new Gurukul 3.0 notes. In this video, we'll unpack this box, see what is the content inside, and we'll tell you what are the new features of this complete box. So are we ready to start it? I'm really excited to see what exactly is in the box. Well, if you look at this box, it's a very elegant looking black box, and there's something written here. Here is a logo, Gurukul and DBMCI, and this is my favorite. We are a family with a red color, heart. It really looks very impressive to all of us. If you look at here, when I take a class, many students say, at the last they say, "Sir, Bhartiya hai to bharosa," and really kicks me up. That's feeling both on teachers and the students. They all believe on Bhartiya right now. So are you ready to open it? I'm really excited. This is a complete new box, and when you get a box, something as a gift box and something, we all excited to do that, right? So let's try to open this box. It's a study feel, I think, because this boxing is very important. When it reaches you in whatever place you are throughout the India, it has to be very much study, because ultimately this was a feature that we have improved this time. Last time the packaging we had received some issues, and we have really improved on that. I'm very sure when it reaches you, it will have a really that nice feel when you open it. So the box is open. Let's see what's inside. Wow, there is a gift inside, and there are a lot of books. There is radiology, there is psychiatry, anesthesia, dermatology, pharma, FMT. Okay, we have ENT, and there is anatomy. Great. Let's open this box. It's a beautiful gift box with the same logo, and we are a family, this beautiful red heart. Okay, we have this notebook. Notebook is very good, While we make these notes, you can write those salient points we often forget. Those salient points that you actually forget are very volatile points that you must write this here. And there are stick-ons also. And Bharti has been very kind enough to give us some highlighters. My favorite, pink and blue. My favorite, blue and pink color, because we have this highlighters. We have clip-ons. We have a lot of bookmarks, and we have some colored pens too. So I believe that you must make a good use of this, notes, because as those very volatile points that you actually miss, make few pages for this, like anatomy, biochemistry, physiology, and those important points you can just write it down here. Don't write the complete topics, but you must make good use of this. So it's a new thing to have this. Let's see the main thing, that's books. Radiology. The pages are in good quality. Very importantly, the font. You see this font, they are in a single highlighting point. That means you won't find a multiple fonts. It really becomes very easy for a student to read the same font throughout the chapter. And the images quality are very good. In fact, it's quite much improved than the previous editions. And as the images are very clear, it really helps the students to retain it for a long time. There's some different colors also, which can actually highlight it. And all of the factor, the feel of this book is really very good. The active space is written here, and it looks bright, colorful, like an actual textbook. And yes, we have shining stars of DBMCI, and you all make us proud, right? Be a warrior, not a worrier. That's a good tagline it has there. Anatomy, Dr. Ashwini Kumar, the brick skeletal, and Dr. Ashwini Kumar's magic we all know about. Sir's details. Okay, how to utilize the best utilization of this any book. When you read these books, you must be very much aware of the different type of questions being asked from that. When you are reading this page and you get any new point, you don't remember that thing, make a good utilization of these active spaces. The more you utilize these spaces, this space is out here, when you revise it before the exam, you don't need to get everything here. Just put on those important points and get over with this. That's the best way to make utilization of the notebooks. And the colors used are very, very good. Those highlighting points here. And I'll tell you one more point which I actually found very, very useful, and those are these highlighting points, the stamp lines. So suppose you want to just watch the 10th cranial nerve, a nerve on this complete summary of parasympathetic ganglia. You just want to watch this time, go to the video, click on that part and move to 24.49 minute timestamp, and you can just come on this, read this and get over with this. Really saves a lot of time. your devotion and our studies will really make us all very, successful in our life. So it's a very good book. Overall, the quality is very good. The pages are in good standard. So I'm very sure, guys, this, the recent edition of the Gurukul 3.0 will change how we have brought about the things. The next pattern questions, the English recording, they're fun to record, they're fun to watch, you'll really retain it for a long time. But most importantly, it will really bring you close to your dream. And what is your dream? To get a good rank in PGME, to have a good marks in your prof exams. We are very sure we can do that only because of your hard work and the work that we do throughout in DBMCI. God bless you all. Stay happy, stay blessed, and stay safe. Thank you.